So look here, see this line. Orographic rainfall types of rainfall occur because of natural obstruction of Himalaya. These winds return from Himalayan ranges and their retreating journey starts by blowing towards the northeast towards Indian Ocean. These winds bring rainfall again in some part of peninsula. Just now I told you this is retreating monsoon. Underline this line. This is retreating monsoon in India. In general, the climate of India is hot throughout the year. So, as the Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of India, India is considered to be the tropical region. India is in tropical region. India faces natural disaster like erratic rainfall, droughts, cyclone, floods frequently. So, what is the climatic condition of our country? We face natural disaster because of the erratic rainfall, because of the irregularity in the rainfall. So, we face erratic rainfall, and which brings drought, cyclones, floods. Now we are witnessing floods in the various parts of our country, in that especially in the northeastern part, in the northern plain of our country, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Assam. We are facing such a heavy flood there. I mean, so many districts they are merged in the water. So this is the condition of rainfall condition, or the we can say erratic rainfall condition in our country. So generally there are four seasons. So this is very important line. These are the four. There are four seasons as per Indian Meteorological Department. What is meteorological department? The weather department. First, the hot weather season. Second, the season of rainfall, that is monsoon. The season of retreating monsoon. So retreating monsoon also brings rainfall. Season of rainfall is also having season of rainfall. Naturally rainfall is there, but maximum number of days we are facing the hot weather season. The number of the days, or we can say a limited period of winter season we are having in our country, but the maximum number of periods which is very prolonged about weather season is hot season, that is summer season. So this is the condition of our rainfall, which brings rainfall in our country. That is the pattern of rainfall in our country. So that we have to follow, that we are witnessing since so many years, and which is very much not as India is a monsoon country, India is an agriculture country, so we very much depend upon monsoon rainfall. So sometimes we are blessed with good rainfall, sometimes the rainfall is very less, and these are the what two effects we know, which we faced every year, that is El Nino and Al Nina. So La Nina, El Nino and La Nina, these two factors, or these two conditions which we are facing since so many years. That means heavy rainfall as well as less rainfall. So this is the pattern of India's climatic condition. So remember children, we are having we can say four pattern of climatic condition, that is uh, hot weather season, or season of rainfall, monsoon season, and cold weather season, and last is no that is the cold weather season, season of retreating monsoon, season of rainfall, monsoon season, or hot weather season. So these four, underline this, and this is very important. So I hope you have understood well.